How's it going, my people? Welcome back to another trade recap. We ended up taking a win today. We went short. But yeah, anyways, let's get into it. So this is my second win in a row now. So we're on a streak. We're on a 2-win streak. Now today my bias was bullish. Why was I bullish? Thought I was swept out this low. It was also, yeah, it was in an uptrend. It didn't break shots to the downside yet. The 1 hour, however, inverse this fair value gap here, filled in this fair value gap, and was moving up. So I was like, alright, cool, we're bullish. Now I saw this fair value gap, so I was like, alright, cool. This fair value gap might get filled, and then we might push up. But yeah, we also didn't sweep out a hourly or session low or anything during Asia session, so I couldn't wait for a 5-minute sweep as well. I had to wait for a 1 hour sweep to go long, but we ended up taking a short. Why did we take a short? We swept our Asian session highs. We did break structure here, but I still waited for this low to get passed basically because yeah. So look, we swept out high with this candle. I could have entered because it did already fill in equilibrium and stuff, but I didn't want to. I just wanted to wait, like as if it's an uptrend, and wait for like a clean thing out of it. So we created this fair value gap, filled it in, and yeah, that was my entry. This was a 1-to-1 because obviously like I didn't put my stop loss up here. I could have, and it would have still worked. It would have been a 2.5, but it's better to be safe than sorry. Put my stop loss up there, 1 to 1.1, and the market did, like as you can see, did go up, down, up, down, up, down. But yeah, and I didn't move my stop loss to break even or anything. If I did, I would have been stopped out and then it would have went in it, take profit. But I didn't bother with it because it is a 1-to-1 trade. However, I did once this came up here and then we came down to, I marked out so half of this basically. So once this hit here, I moved my stop loss to this high over here instead of moving it all the way to break even, just to give the trade a bit of room. And that was a really good shout because it came up here and then started going down. So yeah, that's about it really. I think this is the first 1-to-1 I've ever hit in like ever since I started trading. Like I never go for trades that are 1-to-1, but my strategy played out. I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna take the trade, and yeah, we did end up taking the trade and leaving with a win today. Yeah, as you can see, the market it didn't move too nicely, but bias does look like it was correct because after we swept out that low, we did actually end up pushing up again, which is good. I love when my bias is correct. It always makes me happier. But yeah, if this happened during London session, it would have been even better for us. But 1-to-1, still 1%. But yeah, that's it. I feel like my trade recaps just keep getting shorter and shorter. But yeah, I don't really know what else to say, to be fair. But yeah, anyways, today was a good day. Every time I get a win, it makes me happy. So yeah, not much else to say. I'll see you guys next time I trade.